Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are gonna do a quick walkthrough of a 2023 SCM Class SI 350 sliding table saw. Now, if you look, there's not a lot mounted to this machine, but this machine is complete. One of the reasons why we did not mount the accessories, the shoe, the hold down, the stops to this machine is because they've never been on the machine. We also have the auxiliary table, again, still in the factory wrap. Everything is here, and again, this machine has virtually no use. It's gonna have probably less use than you would find on a demo machine. If you take a look at these tables, I mean, there's not a single scratch on the tables. I mean, this is like, again, cleaner than a demo. I mean, your outrigger, I mean, there's just no wear whatsoever. If we open up the blade guard, the blade that came with the machine still has a lot of its protective coating still on it. That main blade is 350 millimeters, 9 horsepower, and runs at 4,000 RPM. Your scoring is 1 horsepower and runs at 8,500 RPM. But again, if you just look at the saw, it's you would have a hard time even telling that this machine has been used. Everything functions as it should. I mean, if we come in here and we hit start, it's quiet, slides effortlessly. You do have your controls on the end of your carriage. Still have your protective coating on some of your stickers, your adjustments for that scoring. Again, if you look at these tables, I mean, just look at them. I mean, again, this machine virtually has no use to it. I would not call this machine new, but I would say it's a 9.8. And the thing is even when we get new machines, often new machines do have scuffs on them. Just from transit, just from being blocked in the crate. If we come in here, everything, you know, it functions just as you would expect. If we raise the blade up, and I'll just start that one more time. Those are obviously braking motors. Again, do not miss out on this saw if you are looking for a really good deal on a late model, virtually new Class SI 350 by SCM. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.